At Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today we're going to talk about the Princeton Herringbone engineered flooring. The Princeton range is 18mm thick with a 4mm or 5mm solid top layer. Available in 5 beautifully natural decors, the Princeton range really is perfect for any home style. Fitting also couldn't be simpler. Simply ensure that each joint is glued, align the boards at a perfect 90-degree angle, and ensure that the A and B boards are fitted tight together. We all love the timeless herringbone pattern, and the Princeton range delivers this in 5 beautiful finishes. Order your samples today or use our room visualizer so you can see our stunning floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.